10 insane cars Jay Leno reviewed in 2025. You won't believe number 4. Number 1, 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed. The 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed represents the pinnacle of British luxury performance. Jay Leno takes this beast for a spin, and it immediately showcases why Bentley has been synonymous with opulence and power. Under the hood sits a 6.0-liter W12 engine producing over 650 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, allowing the car to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3.5 seconds. The craftsmanship inside is as impressive as the performance outside. Hand-stitched leather, polished wood veneers, and a customizable digital display provide a perfect balance of old-world luxury and modern technology. Leno highlights the adaptive suspension, which makes high-speed cornering feel surprisingly agile for a car of this size and weight. The GT Speed also features Bentley's all-wheel drive system, which enhances grip and stability, giving the driver immense confidence. Jay particularly praises the car's exhaust note, a deep, resonant growl that transforms at higher RPMs. The rarity of specific configurations in 2025 makes this car a collector's dream, as Bentley allows extensive customization, ensuring each Continental GT Speed is unique. Number 2, 2025 Mustang GTD. Jay Leno's coverage of the 2025 Mustang GTD showcases a perfect blend of American muscle with modern performance engineering. The GTD model, representing one of Ford's high-performance trims, features a supercharged V8 engine pushing out over 800 horsepower. Leno notes the meticulous engineering in the suspension system, designed to handle the immense power without sacrificing control. The car's exterior reflects Mustang's aggressive heritage: bold lines, aerodynamic enhancements, and a signature rear spoiler that not only looks good but contributes to downforce. Inside, the cabin combines sportiness with technology, including a fully digital dashboard, premium leather seats with racing bolsters, and multiple drive modes that adapt throttle response, steering weight, and suspension stiffness. Jay Leno focuses on the exhaust system, noting how the GTD's roar is both brutal and melodic. The braking system is upgraded with carbon ceramic rotors, allowing consistent performance even under repeated high-speed stops. Leno's first impressions underline the thrill of driving a car that feels alive, aggressive, and deeply connected to the road. Number 3, 2025 Cadillac Celestiq. The 2025 Cadillac Celestiq represents the pinnacle of American electric luxury, and Jay Leno is fascinated by how this EV manages to combine opulence with cutting-edge technology. With a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, the Celestiq produces close to 1,000 horsepower, delivering lightning-fast acceleration and a smooth, silent ride. Leno notes the incredibly low center of gravity thanks to the battery placement, which makes the car feel planted even during high-speed cornering. The exterior is futuristic yet elegant, with sharp lines, dramatic lighting accents, and a low-slung stance that commands attention. Inside, Cadillac's designers have gone all out. Handcrafted materials, an expansive curved OLED display, and active noise cancellation technology create a cocoon of luxury. Jay highlights the customization options, including bespoke interior trim and personalized color schemes, making each Celestiq unique. Another standout feature Leno emphasizes is the advanced driver assist and semi-autonomous capabilities, allowing the car to handle highway driving with impressive autonomy. The Celestiq's wow factor is also in the small details: unique LED patterns, aerodynamically optimized wheels, and a whisper-quiet electric powertrain that redefines what a luxury sedan can be in 2025. Leno concludes that this car represents the future of American luxury, marrying performance, design, and technology in a way rarely seen before. Number 4, 2025 Ferrari Daytona SP3. Jay Leno's review of the 2025 Ferrari Daytona SP3 is arguably the highlight of his 2025 car coverage. As a naturally aspirated V12 hypercar, the Daytona SP3 is extremely rare, with only a handful of units produced worldwide. Leno marvels at the engine, a 6.5-liter V12 producing over 830 horsepower, capable of reaching speeds above 210 miles per hour. The car's design is a modern homage to classic Ferrari shapes from the 1960s and 1970s, featuring aggressive aerodynamics, wide fenders, and a low-slung, aerodynamic profile. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused with minimal distractions and racing-inspired controls, but still maintains luxury touches such as fine leather and carbon fiber trim. Leno spends considerable time discussing the car's dynamic performance. The adaptive suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and active aerodynamics make it a precision instrument on both road and track. The exhaust note is described as pure music, with a high-pitched scream that only a naturally aspirated Ferrari V12 can produce. The wow factor is undeniable. From the moment Leno starts the engine, the car demands attention and respect. Owning a Daytona SP3 is not just about speed. It's about exclusivity, heritage, and experiencing automotive art at its absolute peak. Jay notes that this car is likely to be a collector's gem for decades to come. Number 5. 2025 Corvette ZR1. The 2025 Corvette ZR1, as reviewed by Jay Leno, represents the culmination of Chevrolet's engineering prowess. This model is the top-of-the-line Corvette featuring a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that produces over 850 horsepower, paired with a 7-speed manual or automatic transmission. Leno highlights the extensive use of carbon fiber in the chassis and body panels, contributing to a low curb weight and enhanced performance. Aerodynamic improvements, including a massive rear wing and front splitters, allow the car to stay glued to the tarmac at high speeds. Inside, the Corvette ZR1 blends driver-focused controls with comfort features such as heated and ventilated seats, premium audio, and digital instrumentation. Jay emphasizes the car's track-capable nature, noting the advanced suspension system and electronic stability control that can be dialed to suit both street and track conditions. One of the most impressive aspects, according to Leno, is the exhaust system, which delivers an unmistakable roar that turns heads even when standing still. The rarity factor comes from the limited production numbers of the 2025 model, making it a sought-after supercar for enthusiasts. Leno's experience behind the wheel reflects the ZR1's ability to balance extreme power with everyday usability, making it a perfect example of modern American performance engineering. Number 6. 2025 McLaren W1. The 2025 McLaren W1 is a hypercar that combines extreme performance with cutting-edge technology, and Jay Leno's review highlights every detail that makes it a modern automotive masterpiece. The W1 features a twin-turbo V8 engine producing over 1,000 horsepower, allowing the car to accelerate from 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. Leno emphasizes the car's lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, which not only reduces weight but also enhances rigidity and handling precision. The aerodynamics are mind-blowing. Active front and rear wings adjust automatically based on speed and driving mode, optimizing downforce while maintaining efficiency. Inside, the cabin is minimalist yet luxurious, with Alcantara surfaces, race-inspired seats, and a fully digital dashboard. Leno particularly highlights the driving modes, which allow the car to transform from a refined GT to a track-dominating beast at the touch of a button. The exhaust note is spine-tingling, a mix of mechanical growl and high-pitched turbo whine, producing one of the most intoxicating soundtracks for any car. As a rare 2025 hypercar, the W1 is limited in production, making it a jewel in Leno's garage and a dream for any collector. Number 7. TVR Tuscan S. Jay Leno's coverage of the TVR Tuscan S dives into the revival of British raw performance. The Tuscan S is powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter straight-six engine producing approximately 400 horsepower, but what makes it extraordinary is its lightness. Weighing under 1,250 kilograms, it offers incredible power-to-weight ratio and nimble handling. Leno praises the pure driving experience. There are no electronic nannies or overly complicated driver aids, making the car feel alive with every input. The exterior design is quintessentially British. Smooth curves, aggressive air intakes, and a low stance that hints at speed even when stationary. Inside, the cabin is focused on the driver with simple gauges, racing seats, and minimal distractions, keeping the attention on the road. Leno emphasizes the car's rarity, as only a small number of Tuscan S units exist, especially in the 2025 lineup with updated performance specs. The exhaust delivers a raw, visceral note, making the driving experience exhilarating. According to Leno, this car captures the essence of traditional British sports car philosophy: light, fast, and incredibly engaging. with a level of exclusivity that gives it huge collector appeal. Number 8. Tesla Model S Plaid. The Tesla Model S Plaid stands out in Leno's 2025 reviews because it combines unprecedented electric performance with futuristic technology. With a tri-motor setup producing over 1,020 horsepower, the Plaid accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars on the planet. Leno focuses on the driving dynamics, noting that despite its size and weight, the low center of gravity from the battery pack gives it remarkable handling. The interior is a blend of minimalism and high-tech luxury, featuring a massive curved display, premium materials, and Tesla's autopilot suite for semi-autonomous driving. Jay highlights unique features like the yoke steering wheel, performance boost mode, and track-oriented torque vectoring, which create a driving experience unlike any traditional supercar. The wow factor, according to Leno, is not just in speed, but in how seamlessly technology and performance are integrated. The car can transport its occupants with extreme speed, while still feeling refined and sophisticated. Its rarity comes not from production numbers, but from the exclusivity of Plaid-level configurations in 2025, as early adopters and collectors compete for limited availability. Number 9, Jaguar Barn-Find Restoration. One of the more surprising features in Jay Leno's 2025 lineup is a classic Jaguar discovered as a barn find, which he restores and drives in detail on his channel. While not a brand new production car, Leno's treatment of this Jaguar emphasizes the wow factor of automotive history. The car, possibly an XK120 or E-Type variant, features original craftsmanship, hand-built metalwork, and a classic inline-6 or V12 engine. Leno dives into the restoration process, highlighting rare parts, the challenges of rebuilding an old engine, and the subtle details that make these cars treasures. The barn find narrative adds rarity, as few vehicles survive decades in pristine or restorable condition. Driving the restored Jaguar, Leno emphasizes its analog driving experience. No electronic assists, just pure connection between driver, road, and machine. The car's aesthetic is timeless, with flowing curves, chrome accents, and an interior that exudes classic luxury. Leno's review of this car demonstrates how historical rarity combined with expert restoration can create a wow factor rivaling modern hypercars, capturing both enthusiasts and casual viewers alike. Number 10. Lotus Carlton. Finally, the Lotus Carlton, featured in 2025 on Jay Leno's Garage, is a car with legendary status due to its extreme speed and rarity. Produced in the early 1990s, but preserved and reviewed in 2025, the Carlton combines a 3.6-liter twin-turbo straight-six engine, producing 377 horsepower with refined British engineering, allowing it to reach top speeds of nearly 180 miles per hour, astonishing for a four-door sedan of its era. Leno dives into why the Carlton became infamous. The combination of luxury, performance, and scarcity created a car that was nearly banned from regular streets due to its speed. The 2025 review highlights the preserved condition, its unique suspension tuning, and the crisp steering that makes it feel agile despite its size. Leno points out the rarity. Only a few hundred were ever made, and even fewer survive today in pristine, drivable condition. The wow factor comes not just from performance, but from the story, heritage, and the sense that the Carlton is a sleeper supercar ahead of its time. Driving it, Leno comments on how thrilling it still feels, even decades after production, cementing its place as one of his most memorable reviews of 2025.